Alright guys, welcome back once again to my tutorial channel. In today's video, I want to quickly show you how to convert airtime to cash and withdraw to any Nigerian bank account in few minutes. If you have excess airtime, maybe you recharge through your bank, you want to recharge 1,000 and you recharge excess, or you are trying to transfer money and you mistakenly recharge it as a airtime, this video is for you. I want to use this video to show you how to convert your excess airtime to cash and get paid instantly in your bank account. I'm going to use a site or app called VTU Africa. You can see the steps here. I will show you the various steps. We make it easy for you to convert airtime to cash and get paid instantly. Yes, that is their promise in VTU Africa. So you visit the site called VTU Africa, www.vtuafrica.com.ng. as you can see it here. You can see from my browser, vtuafrica.com.ng. You can also check the link in the video description. You will see the full link there. You click on enter. It will open the site for you. If you are a new user, all you do is to scroll down and click on sign up or register. As you can see it here, register. But for me, I already have an account, so I will click on login. I will enter my details, my email and password. I'll click on sign in because I have account. But if you don't have account, create a new account. Now, if you have account, sign in. Now it will open the app for you. This is the app. After login, you will see the very first thing here. You see convert airtime to cash, or you click on these three bars as you can see here. Scroll down, you see convert airtime to cash here. Click on it and select convert airtime to cash. Or let me go back, simply use the dashboard. You can see it here. Convert airtime to cash. Click on this green. You see it, convert airtime to cash. It has rules which you need to read and understand. The rules here are the commission. There's a fee you'll be charged if you are converting airtime to cash. So if you read through these rules, you will see the fees that are applied to each network, and also the procedure on how to transfer airtime is here. You see that MTN, they will charge 25%, Glo 30%, and so on. So if you have seen it, you go down, select the network you want to convert. Let's say MTN, for instance. I click on MTN. I'll put how much I want to convert. For instance, 10,000 naira. I put the phone number I'm using to transfer the airtime, the phone number that has the airtime. Let me assume the phone number. Let me assume any number. I'll proceed. As you proceed, you will see it here. We accept airtime transfer only. You see the rules there. Then you see number to transfer from. This is the number I put. Amount 10,000 naira. The charge they will charge me is 25. Amount to receive, I will receive 7,500 naira. You see my current balance there. Then you proceed. You see wallet crediting within 3 to 5 minutes once your transfer is received. If your airtime is received, you receive the money in your account within 3 to 5 minutes. Kindly transfer the airtime to 08064897610. This number is the number you transfer your MTN airtime to. After you have done the transfer, you click on convert now. Before you click on convert now, please make sure you have already transferred the airtime. The number is also up. You can see the number here. Any VTU sent to us will not be credited to your wallet. Kindly transfer exactly 10,000 naira MTN airtime to. The phone number is up here. Before showing all your details here. Now, if you have done the transfer, you click on convert now. The transfer has been done by me. Let me click on convert now. You see, your airtime to cash request has been received. Your account will be credited within 3 to 5 minutes. Within these 3 to 5 minutes is when if they have received your airtime, if the 10,000 naira has been received by the company, they will transfer the 7,500 to my bank account within 3 to 5 minutes. That is just how it is. Just a simple way. If you have clicked on it, don't click again. If I've already clicked on the convert airtime to cash, don't click again. Like for example, if you click again, it will give you error. You have already sent this request. So this is just a simple way to convert your airtime to cash. If you want to convert other networks, you go back by clicking on this VTU Africa logo. Go back to convert airtime to cash. Select a different network of your choice. Type the amount, type the phone number you are sending from, and click on proceed and do as I have done. That is a simple way. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that when we upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Okay, secondly, if you have any question or contribution, use the comment section to ask your questions. Bye and have a nice day.